Oh, you guys are watching. I want a big shout. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. I woke up this morning and we had over 1,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I want to throw a big shout out to my wife, who's been awesome and very patient through this whole process, turning our basement kind of upside down to film and with these printers and everything else. Thank you so much, hon. Also, the viewers, thank you everybody who's hit that subscribe button below and the little bell over here to be notified when the new videos come out. Even if you're just watching the videos to build your machines or help you troubleshoot your machines, thank you so much. I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, but that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. Luke Hatfield, One Bad Marine. You, sir, are awesome. Thank you so much for the opportunity for me to start filming your content and getting it out there for everybody to see while they're referencing your guide. Thank you so much. You've been awesome and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Creality, thank you so much for shipping me this Ender 3 here. That was for the build video we did and people love it and they're using it. And a matter of fact, I used it last night to build this one right here. So thank you so much for shipping me that Ender 3 and being there for your users. Also, TH3D, Tim, Matt, the whole company, you guys are right here. Thank you guys so much. I met you guys down at Murph. We had a blast at Murph. We got a lot of really cool stuff coming. Matter of fact, I got some really cool TH3D videos coming up. And C3D, Tyler and Cody, you guys are the awesome. I got something special coming today for you guys. That's what this is right here. That's what we're setting up. So stay tuned for that. Everyone else, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We got some really big things coming. I can't tell you what they are yet, but I can tell you this. Videos are going to be better, content is going to be awesome, and you guys are hopefully going to love it. Stay tuned. Wednesday, the 24th of this month, we are going to do a big 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're going to have stuff from a bunch of different companies, and everyone that jumps on that live stream is going to get a chance to win. And I'm going to ship the stuff right to you. So please stay tuned. Wednesday the 24th, 6 p.m. Central, we're going to give some stuff away. Once again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I couldn't have done this without all you guys. And the best part is it's only been less than 3 months since we posted that first video. If you like the video, click the like button. If you want to subscribe and you want to see more, please click that subscribe button below. And if you want to get notified when the next great videos are coming, click that little bell over here. Like I said, we got some real cool stuff coming. You can check Instagram, The Edge of Tech on Instagram. There may or may not be some cool new printer stuff coming up too. I'm hinting at a lot of cool stuff here. But thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. You guys rock.